Let's be honest, making money online can feel impossible. I've been there, feeling stuck and overwhelmed. Countless hours spent building websites, writing content, and desperately trying to get traffic, only to see minimal results. I tried every trick in the book, from SEO to social media marketing. But my affiliate marketing earnings? Let's just say they weren't paying the bills. It was beyond frustrating, almost disheartening. I knew there had to be a better way. Sound familiar? You're not alone in this struggle. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many have walked this path before. The truth is, most people struggle to make money online, especially in the beginning. And affiliate marketing, while a great opportunity, can be tough to crack without the right strategies. The competition is fierce, and it's easy to get lost in the noise, feeling like you're just another drop in the ocean. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon, a game changer that can turn the tide in your favor? Enter AI chatbots, the new frontier in digital communication. Yes, you heard that right. These aren't just any bots. Those little conversational wizards you see popping up on websites everywhere are more powerful than you think. I'll admit I was skeptical at first. Another tech trend, right? Just another passing fad. But something told me to give it a shot, to see what all the fuss was about, and boy, am I glad I did. The results were astonishing. AI chatbots are revolutionizing the way we do affiliate marketing, and they can do the same for you. They streamline processes and boost engagement. But how do they work? What's the magic behind them? Imagine this. A potential customer lands on your affiliate product page, curious but unsure. They're intrigued but have a few questions that need answering. Instead of clicking away, they're greeted by your friendly AI chatbot ready to assist. It answers their questions instantly, provides personalized recommendations and guides them towards a purchase, making the experience seamless and efficient. Before chatbots, my ad spend was out of control, spiraling higher and higher with no end in sight. I was pouring money into campaigns that barely converted, watching my budget drain away. It was like throwing darts in the dark, hoping something would stick, but rarely hitting the mark. But with chatbots, everything changed dramatically. I was able to target my audience more effectively, providing them with the information they needed, exactly when they needed it, in real time. No more wasted clicks, no more hoping for the best, just precise targeting. Chatbots allowed me to engage with my audience on a whole new level, nurturing them through the sales funnel and turning them into loyal customers who keep coming back. And the best part? It was all automated, saving me time and effort. Section 4. The moment everything changed. I distinctly remember the day my affiliate income hit $10,000 in a single month. I was checking my stats, barely able to believe my eyes. It was a moment of pure exhilaration and validation. All those late nights and doubts had finally paid off. And the driving force behind this success? You guessed it, AI chatbots. The power of personalized conversations, instant support, and targeted recommendations had transformed my business. I went from struggling affiliate to super affiliate, and it all started with embracing this game-changing technology.